On today's episode of LiveLeanTV, I'm diving into the research to uncover what is psyllium husk, including the health benefits, how to use it, and side effects. Is psyllium husk a good supplement for your specific needs, or is it just a waste of money? Let's find out. This is another episode in our series where I'm giving you a quick science-backed overview of popular supplements. The goal is to cut through all the marketing BS to help you make healthier decisions while saving you time and money. To do this, I'll quickly answer the most frequently asked questions by diving into the research, then articulating the findings in an easy to understand format. The most frequently asked questions about psyllium husk include, what is psyllium husk? What are the health benefits of psyllium husk? Is psyllium husk good for constipation? Does psyllium husk help or cause diarrhea? Does psyllium husk lower cholesterol and blood pressure? Does psyllium husk help weight loss? How to use psyllium husk? Does psyllium husk break a fast? Psyllium husk powder versus capsules, which is better? What are the side effects of psyllium husk? To be respectful of your time, I'll share the timestamps to each answer in the description below. So before we jump in, let me know in the comments below if you have ever supplemented with psyllium husk. So with that said, let's jump right into it. What is psyllium husk? Psyllium husk is a soluble fiber derived from the seeds of the Plantago ovata plant. It is commonly consumed as a dietary supplement in powder or capsule form due to its high fiber content. Psyllium husk aids in digestion, supports heart health, and promotes satiety. Psyllium husk is also a prebiotic, which is needed to help grow healthy probiotics in the gut. Due to its water-absorbing properties, psyllium husk is also known as a laxative. What are the health benefits of psyllium husk? Psyllium husk offers numerous health benefits, including improved digestion, regulation of bowel movements, reduced cholesterol levels, and stabilized blood sugar levels. Its high fiber content promotes a healthy gut microbiome and supports weight loss goals by increasing feelings of fullness and reducing appetite. Don't forget that it's important to ensure you drink an adequate amount of water when consuming psyllium husk to optimize its effectiveness. Is psyllium husk good for constipation? Psyllium husk is an excellent natural remedy for relieving constipation. Its soluble fiber content adds bulk to stool, making it easier to pass. Additionally, it absorbs water in the digestive tract, forming a gel-like substance that softens the stool and promotes regular bowel movements while relieving constipation. So start with a small dose and gradually increase it while staying hydrated to prevent digestive discomfort. Does psyllium husk help or cause diarrhea? Psyllium husk is more commonly known for relieving constipation rather than causing diarrhea. However, consuming too much psyllium husk without adequate water intake may lead to constipation or blockages. So when it comes to diarrhea, psyllium husk can actually help alleviate it by absorbing excess water in the digestive tract and adding bulk to stools. However, in some individuals, especially when starting psyllium husk or with excessive intake, it may lead to loose stools or mild diarrhea. It's essential to start with a small dose and gradually increase it while staying hydrated to prevent digestive discomfort. Does psyllium husk lower cholesterol and blood pressure? Including psyllium husk in your diet along with a healthy lifestyle has been shown to lower LDL cholesterol levels, which is the bad cholesterol. This study shows the binding process promotes the excretion of cholesterol, leading to reduced total in LDL blood cholesterol levels. These effects are attributed to its ability to bind to cholesterol and bile acids in the gut, which helps manage cholesterol levels by eliminating it from the body. Even though scientific studies support its effectiveness and the FDA recognizes psyllium husk as a heart-healthy ingredient, it's essential to incorporate it into a balanced diet and active lifestyle for optimal results. Psyllium husk may also help contribute to heart health by supporting healthy blood pressure levels. Does psyllium husk help weight loss? Psyllium husk can support weight loss by promoting feelings of fullness and reducing appetite. Its high fiber content absorbs water in the digestive tract, expanding and making you feel fuller for longer. By feeling full throughout the day, it can help you get into the required calorie deficit to lose weight, since it can help prevent overeating, thus having you eating less calories throughout the day. Additionally, this study shows psyllium husk also assists in regulating blood sugar levels, which makes it beneficial for individuals with diabetes as well as for people looking to lose weight. How to use psyllium husk. Psyllium husk is most commonly consumed by mixing with water or adding it to smoothies, yogurt, or baked goods, including homemade bread. If you are adding it to water, make sure you drink it quickly to avoid it thickening before consumption. And if you are concerned with psyllium husk causing loose stool or mild diarrhea, start with a small dose and gradually increase it to the recommended serving size. Keep in mind, it's essential to stay well hydrated when consuming psyllium husk to prevent digestive discomfort. And if you are taking other medications, consult with your healthcare professional first to ensure the psyllium husk won't cause absorption issues with your medications. Does psyllium husk break a fast? So since a typical 1 tablespoon serving size of psyllium husk contains 30 calories, it technically breaks a fast. However, since psyllium husk is considered a non-caloric fiber, consuming it during a fast should not significantly impact your fasting state. Ultimately, the impact of psyllium husk on fasting depends on your fasting goals. If you're following a specific fasting protocol, some people prefer to avoid all supplements during fasting periods to maintain strict adherence. However, for many people who are simply following the more common 16-8 intermittent fasting protocol, the impact of psyllium husk may be minor without completely breaking the fast. So if you have digestive issues and you can only take it first thing in the morning during your fast, in my opinion, the potential benefits outweigh the slight potential impact on your fast. Psyllium husk powder versus capsules, which is better? The choice between psyllium husk powder and capsules depends on personal preference and specific needs. Both psyllium husk powder and capsules are effective options, but powder form may be more versatile as it can be added to various foods while also being easier to adjust the dosage. Then on the other hand, capsules offer convenience and may be preferred for those who dislike the taste or the texture of psyllium husk powder. So consider your preferences, your lifestyle, and how easily you can incorporate each form into your routine when deciding which is better for you. Here's an Amazon link to affordable psyllium husk powders and capsules for you to check out. I'll also put it on the top of the video description below. What are the side effects of psyllium husk? So while psyllium husk is generally safe for most people, when first starting it, it may cause digestive issues such as bloating, gas, stomach cramps, loose stools, or mild diarrhea. These side effects can often be mitigated by starting with a lower dose and gradually increasing it while staying well hydrated. Additionally, psyllium husk may interact with certain medications, so it's essential to consult with your healthcare professional before adding it to your routine, especially if you have any underlying health conditions or taking medications. So in conclusion, guys, based on the research, it appears that psyllium husk has the potential to help improve digestive health by easing constipation to support regular bowel movements. It may help manage cholesterol levels. It may help support healthy blood pressure levels. It may help regulate and stabilize blood sugar levels, and it may help increase weight loss when combined with a healthy lifestyle. So that's all for today's quick overview on psyllium husk. In the comment section below, tell me, have you ever supplemented with psyllium husk? Which brand of psyllium husk do you use? And lastly, which supplement would you like me to do a deep dive on next? If you found this information helpful, smash that like button down below and subscribe to our channel for more insights on optimizing your health and fitness. Thanks for watching and keep living lean.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it.